The beauty of digital downloads is that as long as you have access to a printer and paper, you have yourself a shortcut to a variety of different craft projects and gifts. Today I'm going to use Thelisha over Baking and Crafting Meets Winter's Soul Kit to create a quick and easy greeting card to add to a gift that I'm getting ready to drop in the mail for Christmas. Want to see how I do it? Stay tuned. I'll be back. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Pham the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Alright, so a couple of weeks ago, I had a video where I released my version of the Winter's Soul Kit that's available in my Etsy shop, and if you're not familiar with that video, it'll be a card up in the corner now. As stated before, it was a collaboration. As usual, it's the Crafty Trinity. It's three of us. So myself, SONYA of Artsy Solution, and Thelisha, the one who created this kit, got together and provided you guys with a little bit of winter inspiration. Now, that being said, this is the card set that Thelisha created, and I will drop a link below to her shop where you can purchase this. Now, I'll be honest with you, this is a lifesaver because I have some ornaments that I want to send out to friends and family across the country, and I don't have I've got my kit, but I didn't make anything. You know, I can always improvise, but it's always great when you've got that little envelope and a little card that you can embellish and decorate with, and drop it on in the envelope and add it on to the gift. That is what I intend to do today. Now, I also printed off, this is from her add-on kit, her Winter Soul add-on kit, is some of her tags, and I like the little bit of texture that's on these. So I'm going to cut out one of these, and I will use it on, I'm thinking, because I want to use craft cardstock to actually back this. It's on cardstock, but I want to make it a little bit thicker or enlarge it a little bit to fully fit this. Let's make it as large as I can. And then I probably could add the tag. I sure can. I'm going to have to cut a little bit of it off. And I'm thinking I might use the pink. We'll see. So listen, stay tuned. You know how it is. My background gets loud like that. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and pause, gather my supplies, come back. And when I come back, it will be some music overlaid to my hands moving quickly about the desk. All right. If you've got some stuff that you want to create with or craft with, go ahead and get it. And then we'll come back and craft together. All right. Now, listen, don't feel pressured to get our kits, but if you would like to support our channels and our creative endeavors, feel free to hit the links down in the description box. We would greatly appreciate it. Now, listen, if you're new to the channel and before I get started, I welcome you to hit subscribe because you don't want to miss any of the future uploads that are along the lines of card making and paper crafting because you're watching me right now, right? All right, so listen, enough of that gab. Let me get busy here. All right, so we have completed this cute little note card, and I think it turned out really nice. What I did was I took the card that came in the kit, and at the printed perforated center part, I went on ahead and cut it in half so that I could use the one side for the outer portion of the card, and on the inside there's a little writing space. And so I also added a stamp sentiment from one of the newer stamp sets that I purchased from the site Temu, and then I added a Dollar Tree puffy sparkly snowflake sticker, and then also you saw me add the Stickles crystal, I think it's called crystal. Oh boy, there we go. And so I just put that on there to add a little bit of wintry effect there. And so once that dries, I will add a sentiment to the inside, slide it into the envelope that came with the kit. Now I just added a stamp frame there to write the name in and stamp the word "Sent with Love," and that came from one of the stamp sets I believe I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years back, Stampabilities. I love the way that this turned out. I'm so glad that I had this kit so that I could create this card at a moment's notice to add to the gift that I'm putting in the mail this week. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this kit by Thelisha over Baking and Crafty Meats here on YouTube, there'll be a link below to her shop, The Sweets, and you'll be able to grab it there and have access to endless supplies of cards and creativity. Now listen, if you're still here and you're not a part of my creative community, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll see more of this winter love, creative inspiration throughout the season. And for those who are returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching, for sharing this content in your creative spaces. And listen, until we're back here together on YouTube, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.